What turned me on to Cornerstone, and the reason I went with them, is their whole process is very systematic. I really liked it because, in other words, it said, if you want to talk to us, you do this, and then we're going to do this. Here's step 1, 2, 3, 4. They had everything laid out, and they were very organized. So it's not like, oh, we'll talk and figure out what to do. They said, here's how it works. And that's what I'm trying to do with my business, is that organized, systematic approach. And I said, well, who better to do it than somebody that does it for themselves, right? I'm David Holladay, and my company is BannerBug USA. It's a new company, and what it does is we make banner stands. We are manufacturing a banner stand in the US, so it's going to be a 100% made in USA product. I found Cornerstone. I needed to customize Zoho. I didn't want to go this alone. I wanted an expert. My plan for my business is to try to automate and set all my systems up as well as possible in the beginning to cut down on my number of employees I'm going to need, my overhead down the road. So I'm spending a lot of time and effort and money in the setup in hopes of years later, I'll be reaping the benefits of that because I'm automated everything. The first priority for me that Cornerstone helped with was customizing my CRM system to fit my personal selling style and the selling style and system that I want BannerBug USA to utilize. From the marketing to the engagement to step 2 to step 3 to how many times I'm going to call before I give up on someone, everything is systemized. And so what I asked them to do was lay that all out for me to make it as quickly as possible to prospect. So I can, because my main job is I'm a business owner, but I'm going to be the salesperson too. And I'm going to be doing a lot of outreaches and a lot of prospecting. And I need to do it as efficiently as possible. And then when I start hiring salespeople, I want them to be able to take this system and not have to think, just do it, just work the system. So that's what they did. They they customized my CRM system for me. Well, I'm using Zoho Books for my accounting. Everything's going through that. I'm really liking that. I've always used QuickBooks, and I really like the Zoho Books and the way it integrates. The Zoho Inventory Cornerstone helped me set up my inventory systems. That's real important to me. I need to know how many I've got, when I need to order, and I need to automate that. So they helped me that with Zoho Inventory. I'm using the Zoho Mail system as well. And so my plan is to, every way we can, use as many of the Zoho One apps that I can. So the first thing to understand is my experience with the Cornerstone team has been Zach Spader. He has been the team for me. And so I laid out, here's what I'm looking to do. Here's some things I have questions on. I threw it over to him. He grabbed it and said, yes, we can do this, this, this. No, you don't want to do this. And if you want to do this, we're going to have to do this, and et cetera, et cetera. We worked through the system. He sent me a quote to sign. I signed it, and boom, we were off and running. Look for a vendor that, in my opinion, and I call them a business partner, look for a business partner that practices what they preach. That's what I liked about Cornerstone, is they were similar to my selling system, that they were very systematic and organized, and I always knew what the next step was. And so that's what I was looking for, because I wanted somebody that always knows, that tells you what the next step is. Look at their system when you fill out a form online. How quickly do they get in touch with you? What does the response say? Can you call somebody? Can you talk to somebody? And look at all those things and see if it aligns with the way you want to run your business, and find somebody that's a good fit for that, because all they're really going to be doing is giving you a lot of their system as well. And that'll probably save you some money, because they already know how to do it.